Ho ho ho, it's game time, and I have another box of 2018 Bowman High Tech Baseball. This is video 2 of 2, so you'll have already seen me open the first box, which I think was a very decent box. 10 cards, 4 on-card autographs, and my first box was pretty good, so if this box is anywhere near that, I will be pleased. I typically don't do these types of boxes with just a couple of cards, but there's not a lot of stuff coming out right now. I mean, a lot of stuff came out over the last 2 months, but for September, not so much. So I decided to go ahead and fit this into the budget. Let's see what I could pull. Did get one parallel autograph out of the first pack and one base parallel. Alright, we're starting off with a very good prospect, Joe Adele. This is a good pull by itself, autograph or no. He is hot to trot. And then we have a Nick Prado, first baseman for the Royals. Alex Fado, he's been around for a while. He's in like 2015 products, so like Castanura, he's been around for a minute. Jesus Sanchez, a different pattern as you can tell, for the Rays. And then we have a Colton Welker autograph. Oh Lord, my dogs are getting wired up. That's okay, we'll just hang in there. Next autograph is Adam Hazley. This is not bad. Phillies outfielder. He could do a little better with his autograph there, but not bad. Dang, Evan White. I pulled him in the first box. Let's see if I pulled the same. I think it's even the same pattern. Oh, that's a shame. Boo to that. And then we do have a Jaron Kendall blue to 75, so this is a nice autograph. He did a good job on the signature too. It's a really good looking card there. Wow. Jordan Hicks purple parallel to 191. Got a purple in the first box and a purple here. And the final card is Keibert Ruiz for the Dodgers with another different pattern there. I think the first box was better overall. I did get a shorter print autograph here. I'm not happy about getting the duplicate, but oh well. And the Hazley and the Colton Welker. Not bad. These cards look good. I've always been a fan of Tech. I'm not a fan of paying so much for a box that only has 10 cards, but as far as the look and design of the cards go, I am a fan of that. So let me know what you guys think. Did you get some of this? Did you not? Are you going to? Did you get anybody good? Let me know what you think. I'm all ears or all eyes to read your comments. Okay, everybody take care of yourself, and I'm trying to think what I'll have next. I'm actually gonna have to check and see. I'm trying to fight the urge to buy even more Chronicles because I'm so addicted to it, but may get some of the high number, what is it, Heritage high number. I think that's about to come out. I may grab some of that, but anyways, everybody take care of yourself, and I will be back with my next break super soon.